Sarap mag-swimming.
I've got a dream that calls my name, a fire inside, a burning flame, no turning back, no second guess. I'm on my way to find success.
Nag-chill muna ako dito kasi sobrang nakaka-relax. And bago tong area na to, I've never seen this area before.
I feel the drive to keep on pushing to survive. I'll reach for the sky, no limit too high.
Hello everyone, we are here in Crimson Mactan Resort here in Cebu, and this is actually one of my favorite resorts here. I have actually stayed here for around 2 weeks during the pandemic, and I'm just happy to be back and experience this luxury. So you know the drill, welcome to another vlog, another hotel staycation, another hotel review, and another luxury experience. So if you're interested, it's time to check in.
Sir, this is the whole resort, sir.
Yes.
And as of the moment, we are here at the main building. And then for tomorrow's breakfast, you can have your Saffron Cafe. Breakfast starts at 6:30 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. Then Enya is our Spanish restaurant. And then Aka, Japanese restaurant. Both.
Okay, this vlog is almost timely because it's almost summer. As you can see, the sun is out, the color is very vibrant, and we usually start our vlogs with a room tour. So for today, this is my room. It's a garden view villa. Yeah, that one. So when you enter, careful kasi merong stairs, and then 2 lounge chair if you wanna dry up before going in. Now, it's a bit of a walk going to the facilities, pero the area is actually sprawling, so malawak siya. Anyways, you are in a resort, you can enjoy the long walks. So, it's now time to do the room tour. Okay, so once you enter, you can see that beautiful bed with art installation sa headboard niya. Then you have a TV, full body mirror, and you also have a ceiling fan, no, to help cool it down kasi mainit. Then you have a lampshade here, and then the mini bar is here, fully equipped with coffee, water, and the fully bar is actually consumable. It means it's free. So you can drink all of those and eat the snacks. Yeah, it comes with it. So this room is not very modern, pero still, it's so comfortable. It's giving Balinese vibe. Again, you're in a resort. You don't really need modern room facility. But my favorite part of this room always is the bathroom because it's so big. So let's go inside the bathroom now. Yan, may ceiling fan din. And that is the bathtub. There used to be good plants growing dito sa fence or sa wall. Puno yan ng plants before. Baka tinatanim pa ulit. Remember Crimson? Okay, so I was supposed to go to Azure Beach Club. Magla-lunch dapat tayo because it's almost 3 p.m. It's actually 3 p.m. na. Pero nag-chill muna ako dito kasi sobrang nakaka-relax itong pool. And bago tong area na to, I've never seen this area before. Sarap mag-swimming. Ang init. Ang init. Make sure to wear your sunscreen. Pero okay naman. Mahangin din naman. Mainit lang din talaga. Kasi it's in the middle of the afternoon. I think itong part na to because this is the beach area and facing the beach yung restaurant.
I'm seeing watercolors in the morning light.
So yes, I think ito nga yung area na to. Ay, yung beach area nila, it really looks good. It wasn't like this before. I think nasira kasi ng typhoon and then they renovated it. It looks really good. Okay, I can now see Azure Beach Club, finally.
Since you put your hands on me, you got me daydreaming. Don't wake me up. You got me daydreaming. Don't wake me up. I'm days so far away.
So nice. I think this used to be the Rock Club, pero iniba na nila. Ngayon, Azure Beach Club niya siya.
This one, sir.
Thank you.
For the food,
Yeah. May check lang. Then for the pizza. Thank you. So they have 3 menu here. This one I think is yung pizza and then snacks or merienda. And then this one yung drink list nila. Ang dami nilang drinks like both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Ang extensive nung drinks menu nila. And then I think this is the main menu. Ito talaga yung pinaka food nila. So you have East Meats Grill, From the Sea, and buns and rolls, etc. Yeah. Grabe no, sobrang ganda ng view ng restaurant na to. And hindi siya mainit yung location ng restaurant. So perfect lang siya. And sa sobrang gutom ko, kinakain ko na tong kropek. Ang sarap nung sausawan, ang sarap nung suka. Sobrang presko dito, nakaka-relax sa part na to. So siguro dito na rin ako during sundown. Thank you. Enjoy, sir. Okay, thank you. Now we have to remove the pork kasi hindi ko napansin na may pork pero hindi ako kumakain ng pork. So yung bacon lang naman. Now, it's time to take a bite. Pag nasa beach ako, parang gusto ko kumain ng burger and fries or kalabaw sandwich. Yun yung mga gusto kong kinakain sa beach. So good. Sarap. Sobra. Meron lang medyo maanghang dito. Aioli sauce siguro yun. Now, this is the potato wedges. Tikman natin. So most people, medium sila pag nagpapaluto ng Angus burger. Ako, I like mine medium well. Yung sakto lang, medyo pinkish lang siya, but not so well done. And then since 4 o'clock na, happy hour na rin. It's buy one, take one cocktails here sa Azure Beach Club. So I'll just finish this one before tayo mag-happy hour. And I'll probably go for a swim after nito since hindi na ganun kainit. Wow, presentation. Okay, so lumipat ako ng pwesto dito for dessert. Since bumaba na yung araw, almost sunset na. So now I'm eating halo-halo and hindi ko na nilagyan ng milk since may vanilla ice cream naman. Grabe, sobrang laki. Saka ang daming laman. Sarap. I don't know why, pero pag nandito ako sa Cebu, parang mas masarap yung halo-halo. Grabe oh, ang daming laman, ang daming sahog. Kain tayo. Pag pupunta kayo dito, must try. Highly recommended to halo-halo Azure Beach Club. Even naman yung burger kanina, masarap eh. Pero, ito talaga. Okay, so now let's just walk here. You know what? Few months ago, nag-check-in din ako sa isa sa mga resorts here in Mactan. Sobrang expensive and it's not worth it. Yes, medyo bago siya, pero the service wasn't as good as I was expecting for the price na binayaran mo. Pero dito talaga, I think you'll get your money's worth dito sa Crimson kasi they have good facility, good service, good beach, the vibe, everything about it. Gustong-gusto ko. So, nandito tayo sa may cliff and we're waiting for the sunset. So, as I was saying, I like this resort. Pero yung resort nga nasasabi ko sa inyo, yung bagong open and then it's expensive. I won't mention it na here. Gagawa nga sana ako ng review eh. Kaya lang parang sobrang disappointed ako. So, parang ang rating ko doon parang mga 1 out of 5. No? Sa Crimson, let's see the rating by checkout. I'm just walking dito sa cliff. And thinking if magsuswimming ako or hindi because I have a 6 PM Zoom call. Pero parang kaya pa naman ata to swim.
inside a burning flame. No turning back, no second guess. I'm on my way to find success. The road is rough, the climb is steep, but in my heart the hope runs deep. With every step,
I'm in the pool.
the drive to keep on pushing to survive. I'll reach for the sky, no limit too high. With every dream I'll learn to fly.
And sunset na.
Fall, I'll rise again. I'll chase my dreams until the end.
The water is warm. So, hindi siya cold. Kasi nga, sobrang init na. Pero the weather is better now. So, hindi mainit. It's so cool now. Okay, so katatapos ko lang mag-swimming. And patapos na rin yung sunset. Ang bilis ng oras. Kanina lang kaka-check-in natin. And then now, it's almost nighttime. But I really do appreciate places like this, especially pagdating sa accommodation. It's an accommodation that you don't really have to go out anymore because dito pa lang, it's a vacation itself na. So if talagang gusto mo masulit yung binayad mo or if gusto mo masulit yung binayad mo or maximize yung time mo, staycation ka na lang talaga dito. Because kompleto na eh. Like, everything you want is here. And hindi enough yung 24 hours to really enjoy them. So, I suggest you stay mga 2 nights, 3 days para masulit nyo talaga. Water is not warm. It's hot. Mainit siya. Kahit na mahangin ngayong gabi, sobrang init nitong pool water. I don't know if it's heated or it was because of mainit talaga yung araw kanina during the daytime. It's more than warm. So it means super sarap mag-night swimming. Okay, I'm now going to dinner. Siguro kakain ako sa Enye. There's a lot of restaurants to choose from. Merong Saffron, Azur, kung saan tayo nag-lunch. Pero sa Spanish restaurant, yung Enya, I've tried that before. Sobrang sarap. Lalo yung Bird Bass cheesecake nila. Favorite ko yun. It's almost 9:30, past 9 na. So let's see if makakahabol pa ako. Ngayon ko lang naramdaman yung gutom after that night swimming. Isang, ito, pescado.
Pescado Pitoria. For the fish po, we have the red snapper and mahi-mahi.
Wala na raw red snapper, pero prefer ko sabi nga red snapper. Pero sabi ni ate, hindi na raw available yung
Ay, red snapper. Oh.
Man na lang.
Wrapped in the quiet of the night, I feel like I can hear your voice, gently healing my heart, filling me with your kindness. When I'm weary, you hold me.
Hello, it's dinner time now and as you can see, sobrang ganda ng restaurant na to. Ang ganda ng interior ng Spanish restaurant na to. It's very fine dining. Pero yung suot ko, naka-t-shirt, shorts, at saka slippers lang ako. Sa resort naman kasi. So, nag-start ako dito sa bread, complimentary bread. And hindi siya warm, hindi siya mainit. Baka lumamig na kasi kanina pa sinerve. Sarap. A bit salty. So good. Parang kailangan ko ng olive oil. Ginawang Italia. May olive oil kayo para sa bread. With balsamic sana. Thank you. Ay, meron. Kahit Spanish resto to, kahit dito Italian.
So, pescado and pipitoria, red snapper with the pipitoria sauce.
Thank you.
Crab and octopus croquetas.
Thank you.
What with the kitchen locals?
Akin na.
How about
Done na.
dessert?
I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, I have with me a red snapper. Yan. And an octopus croquetas. Croquetas opo. Yeah. So let's try the snapper. I like the snapper itself. I really do like this one. Yung sauce, medyo ma-seasoning siya for me. Meron siya parang Indian food taste. So medyo na-overpower niya yung snapper. Pero masarap. Sobrang okay yung cook. For the croquetas naman, let's try. This is crab and octopus na pinagalo. Mixed. Sarap. O-order ng Coke Zero pero hindi ko pala talaga kaya. Masyado siyang malasa. For me not to drink Coke Zero. Uy, fine. Ano yung favorite ko to? Yun. So, napa-Coke Zero tayo. Hindi natin natiis. Ay. Grabe, I'm full na. Pero masarap siya. Sarap siya. Okay, so this is my way going back sa villa. Grabe, so peaceful, so quiet. Sobrang tahimik, diba? So it's a short walk lang naman pala from the lobby since merong backdoor entrance. Just got back. Time for some dessert because wasn't able to order kanina kasi nga nagpadala pa ng sweets, sayang. And let's have some wine before we call it a night. Thank you, Crimson Mactan, for this. Grabe yung hospitality nyo sa akin. Thank you, thank you. First time ko umiga sa kama since dumating ako and ang lambot niya. It's so soft. Anyways, that was a long day exploring the resort. So let's call it a day and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night, everyone. Hello, good morning. I was supposed to do a quick run before breakfast. Pero since, what is this? Oh, what is this? Check ko lang. So as I was saying, I was supposed to do a morning run today. Kaya lang, it's raining. What happened to the summer weather? Anyways, we'll just go to the gym after breakfast. So we're going to Saffron, kung saan yung breakfast restaurant nila. Mag-gym na lang tayo. That's crimson. Gloomy weather. Yesterday lang mainit. Ngayon, it's raining. See, it's wet. Hi, morning. Okay, so it's now time for breakfast. I have egg whites, omelette, chicken sausage and broccoli, chicken noodles, almond croissant and muesli, and taho. You know a buffet is good if merong taho. The buffet has a lot of varieties, just like any other breakfast buffet in a 5-star hotel. Pero this is more of parang may Cebuano touch. There's a lot of pork in the breakfast buffet. And I've seen more and mas maraming savory foods rin ako nakita. So, but they do have very, very good selection, especially sa mga juices la. This is beetroot shake. Sarap. Okay, time to eat.
a fire inside.
So we are now here sa gym to burn the breakfast. So let's do a quick run before checkout.
The road is rough, the climb is steep, but in my heart the hope runs deep. With every step I feel the drive to keep on pushing to survive. I'll reach for the sky, no limit too high. With every dream I'll learn to fly.
20 minutes in, I still need 10 minutes more. Then we'll do some abs workout. Ito yung problem pagka staycation. Actually, gyms are just as important as swimming pool because you have to stay fit.
The world may doubt, the fears may rise, but I see hope in the skies. Through every challenge, every fight, I'll find my way, I'll find my light. I'll reach for the sky, no limit too high. With every dream, I'll learn to fly. No matter.
Hello, I'm just waiting for the golf cart to fetch me here sa villa and I'm about to check out. But let's review my stay here in Crimson Mactan. Wala akong masabi. Crimson Mactan is just really top-notch. Good food, good facilities, good hospitality, good service, everything about it. I love it. Though the property is a bit old, still it's just as good as the brand new hotels around Mactan. So dapat dito na lang talaga ako lagi. I've tried 3 resorts around Mactan and yung dalawa, hindi siya satisfying. And it's even more expensive than Crimson Mactan. So I really think na this is my favorite property in Mactan. Through Cebuano, I could really feel the genuine Cebuano hospitality. I felt really welcome here. Thank you for joining me in another staycation experience. If you want more vlogs like this, please comment it down below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me in this staycation review. Don't forget to connect with me on my social media accounts. And it's time to check out. I'll see you next time.
It's time to
Hello, kuya.
on a journey. The
Yeah.
world's my show.
Dito na yung card.
And a smile on my way. New adventures every day.
So, nandito na yung card for checkout.